All right, boys and girls, today we are working on a problem-solving strategy. We are working on solving word problems that sort of has a multiplication link. We are making organized lists. Now, when we learned at the beginning of the chapter, we learned that multiplication is repeated what? When we do multiplication, what are we doing over and over? Skip counting, or what other type of math are we doing when we multiply? Yes? What is it?
Adding.
Adding, thank you.
Yeah.
So, remember, thank you.
What is it?
Alright, so remember, boys and girls, when we're doing this, try and think of the ties to multiplication and addition. Alright, let's look at the first problem. Let's look at the first problem. It's up in the bold face up here. It says hiking club members can buy a red, blue, or green shirt. Different shirts. This shirt may have long sleeve or a short sleeve. How many different shirts do the members have to pick from? Okay, what do we know? What information can we pick out from that problem? And I'll give you a hint. They're in little black bullets on your paper. What do you see?
I can't even look at it.
Connor, give me one.
The shirt may be red and blue.
Okay, so we know the shirt. We know the color. The color can be red, can be blue, or green. What else do we know? Lexus.
They may have long sleeves or short.
My hand's hurting.
Okay. You can have a different types of sleeves. Did I spell that right? S-L-E-E-V-E?
Yeah.
Cool. You can have short, or you can have long sleeves. Okay. So, what they want to know is they want how many different shirt setups do we have to choose from? Well, the way they did it is they made a table where they said color. And it says sleeve type. We can just put sleeve. Okay. We're going to make a table. And what is the first color they dealt with?
Red.
Caitlin. Red. Okay. Now there is red. And notice they have a red, long. And what's your other red option? Jacob.
Short.
Okay. We have a red short sleeve. Okay, let's go to the next color. What's our next color? Blue. And how many different choices do we have for blue shirts? 2. We have got what? Blue long, and what else, Destiny? Blue short. Okay, so we've done the red ones, we've done the blue ones. What do we have left, Brandy? Green. And what 2 possibilities do we have for green?
Long and short.
Okay. Green, long, green, short. Okay, so how many choices do I have? Let's count them up. Count with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
We have 6 different shirt choices to choose from. Now look at this though. Look at this. Use your multiplication brain. How many do we have right here? How many are on the list right here? Jacob.
3.
How many are on the list right here, Tyler?
2.
What is 3 times 2? Connor.
6.
Do you see a trend forming here?
Yes.
Alright.
Yeah.
Let's look at the next one. While I'm erasing, boys and girls, look at the next one on your paper. And let's see if we can get through that. Because we're going to make a table like we did for our shirts. Do I have a volunteer to read it for me loud and proud? Alexis, loud and proud for me.
Joel has a choice of trail mix or pretzels in a small, medium, or large size. How many
Not right now. Possible choices?
possible choices does he have?
Okay. So what do we know from there? What do we know from there? Connor.
He can have trail mix or pretzels.
Okay, so we got a type, right? We got a type choice, so we can either do trail mix or what's the other one? What did you say? Pretzels.
Tony, turn around.
Okay, then what's the other information that it gives us? Yeah.
Small, medium, or large.
Okay, so we got size. And I'm going to abbreviate those: small, medium, large. Okay, so let's make a table. How many minutes we at, Abigail?
6.
Okay, good. I just know we can't do over 10 minutes on YouTube, so we're good. All right,
Why?
that's just their limit.
But YouTube's cool.
Okay, so what are my two headings for my table here? Yeah, type and size. Now, if you cannot figure out the heading for your table, that's okay, because you're going to start noticing a pattern in the way we do these. Okay, what is one type? What type do we want to start with, Tony? What type? Which type do you want to start with? Doesn't matter.
Trail mix.
Okay, so I'm going to abbreviate that just TM. And I want you to be making this table on your paper by number 1.
I can't.
Okay, so type, we have trail mix. And Tony, what size can we get our trail mix in? How many different sizes can we get trail mix in?
A large.
Okay, well let's look at what we know. Right here. What sizes can we get it in?
Small, medium, large.
So first one we can do a trail mix small. We can do a trail mix medium. And we can do a trail mix, what, Tony?
Large.
Okay. So how many choices does that start us off with?
Wait,
It starts us off
that
with
looks like
3.
a pineapple.
Wonderful. All right, next up. What is our other thing we can choose from? Tyler.
Pretzels.
Pretzels. So I'm going to abbreviate those just the letter P. Okay, so we got pretzels.
Small, medium, large.
Small, medium, large.
Can I sharpen my pencil?
Yes, you may, sir. Okay.
Are we supposed
Now.
to put these down? Yes.
Yes, when you're done, I want this copied down. All right, so we got trail mix small, medium, large. Pretzels, small, medium, large.
Mr. Sharman.
So, how many choices?
It's at 8.
It's at 8. Thank you. How many choices does that leave us for our snacking? Yes.
6.
6. Look at 1, 2,
Because you just
3,
switch it around.
4, 5, 6. And let's look at our choices, though. Alexis is like, haha, I see a pattern. Look at here. How many do I have up here?
2.
How many do I have down here?
3.
2 times 3?
6.
Okay, so we're getting a pattern here. Now, when you do these problems, I want you to draw this table. I know you're finding the pattern with multiplication, but you need to draw the table, okay?
It's
All
on
right,
9
so off
now.
to the side
9.
somewhere, you need to put 6 choices. All right, Abigail, you can...